Hey there! Today we're diving into an interesting problem involving lists in R. Imagine you have a list of lists called mylist, and each sublist contains another two lists of random numbers. The issue arises when you need to unlist mylist and combine all the sublists of list 1 and list 2 into two separate elements. This can be quite a tricky task, but fret not, we have a solution at hand that will simplify the process. Let's delve into the solution for the problem we discussed earlier. To tackle this issue, we can utilize the map function in R. By mapping the elements of list 1 and list 2 in mylist, we can effectively combine the sublists of each top-level list element. This approach allows us to condense the information and aggregate the random numbers from the various lists into two distinct elements, list 1 and list 2. Now, continuing with the solution we've been exploring, we can use a specific code snippet to further streamline the unlisting process. By employing the do.call function along with map, we can effortlessly merge the sublists of list 1 and list 2 within mylist. This method ensures that the random numbers from all sublists are seamlessly integrated into the final output, making it easier to work with the combined data. Expanding on a solution provided earlier, we can achieve the desired result by directly applying the map function to the list elements mylist 1 and mylist 2. This straightforward approach simplifies the unlisting process and allows us to swiftly aggregate the random numbers from the sublists of list 1 and list 2. To wrap things up, we've successfully addressed the initial problem by efficiently unlisting the nest of lists and combining the random numbers into two distinct elements. I hope this solution has been helpful in understanding how to handle similar scenarios in R. Remember, stay curious, keep coding, and until next time, subscribe, like, and comment. Who knows, maybe a secret code will appear if you do.